Hi Eggy, have you noticed how many tourists are visiting our country lately?
Yeah, especially on weekends. It's getting crowded, but honestly, I think it's kind of interesting.
Same here. Same here. In my opinion, tourism can actually help preserve our culture. Tourism really interested in traditional food, dance, and local history.
I agree with you. When tourists appreciate local culture, people become more motivated to protect it. Cultural performance would not survive without visitors sometimes.
Exactly. It seems to me that tourism gives culture a reason to stay alive in modern society.
That's true, but I also see it differently in some cases. Too much tourism can turn culture into a product, not a tradition.
I see what you mean. Some tradition might lose their original meaning if they are only performed for money.
Right, but as far as I'm concerned, tourism itself is not the problem. Poor management is.
Good point. If tourism is managed responsibility, it can both protect culture and help the local economy.
Speaking of responsibility, that's remind me of a bigger issue. That's climate change.
Oh yes, climate change is everywhere in the news. I strongly believe it's the biggest problem facing the world today.
I totally agree. Climate change affects almost everything weather, food, health, even tourism itself.
Exactly. Rising sea levels can destroy cultural heritage sites and extreme weather can reduce tourism.
That's a good connection. Climate change does not just harm nature, but also culture and livelihoods.
Some people argue that poverty or war is a bigger issue though.
Interesting. But have you concerned the climate change can actually make poverty worse?
Yes, I have. Drought, floods, and natural disasters make it harder for people to survive, especially in developing countries.
So, in a way, climate change is connected to many other global problems.
Exactly. That's why I think global awareness and education are very important.
Which bring us to education and language, especially English.
The classic debate. English should be mandatory in schools.
Personally, I think English should be mandatory. It helps students access global information, especially about issues like climate change.
I agree that English is important, but I'm not completely sure it should be mandatory for everyone.
Why do you think so?
Well, some students struggle, especially in rural areas, forcing them might increase stress and reduce motivation.
I understand your point. However, early exposure to English can actually make learning easier.
That's true, and English does help people communicate internationally, especially in tourism.
Exactly. Tour guides, hotel staff, and even local sellers benefit from English skills.
So, English supports tourism, tourism support culture, and education help us understand climate change. Everything is connected.
I like how you put that. Maybe the key is balance, not forcing, but supporting students properly.
I totally agree. Good teachers, practical methods, and respect for local language are important.
So, we can say that English should be taught seriously but wisely.
Yes, and if people are educated, they can help preserve culture and protect the environment too.
In the end, awareness is the main point.
Absolutely. Small discussion like this can lead to bigger change.
I agree. Anyway, that was a really meaningful conversation.
Yeah, let's continue it another time. Maybe over coffee?
Sounds perfect.